democracy is going to work in India. No. Except in a formal sense, if you want. What do you mean? The real, I mean the paraphernalia of democracy, quinquennial elections, prime ministers and so on and so on. Well, but elections are very important. No. Elections are important provided they produce really good men. But aren't they important because they allow you to change a government? I mean, it's better to change peaceably than not change. Yes, but who has got the idea, you see, that voting means change of government? Nobody has. People have no consciousness. And our electoral system, you see, is of a sort which never allows a man to choose the candidate. Now, for instance, the Congress went and said, vote for what? Vote for Bullock. Yes. Isn't it? Yes. Well, the man never cared who represented the Bullock. Though it was a donkey who represented the Bullock, you see, or a very educated man who represented the Bullock, he simply voted for the Bullock.